Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. In this video, we will explain about progress report for course management system for English language teaching. Next slide. Before that, I would like to introduce our team. First, Suska, Rika, Mukti, Rahayu as the last speaker, and Nabila Pristiatari as the third speaker. Me, Evi Sutriani as moderator and second speaker, and the last Gita Harliza as first speaker. Okay, first introduction will be explained by Gita. Gita, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Epi. I will start now. Introduction. In this activity, we were asked to do several tasks in group related to Moodle, such as comparing Moodle with other CMS, review one learning theory, and making a quiz tutorial on Moodle. Next slide. Okay, there is procedure and activities that we have done. First is paper comparing model and another CMS. Second, project designing class in Moodle. Third, paper review one learning theories. And the last, PPT Moodle tutorial of how to make a quiz in Moodle. Next slide, please. So there is the timeline and individual project. First, on 6 September 2021, about comparing model and another CMS, our group started by discussing through the WhatsApp group about the material that will be used as a reference in the paper on September 11, 2021. Then we decide to compare Moodle with Crossmail. Individual roles in task: Suska source some material, Nabila source, add and type, Evi source and Gita add some material. Second, on 20 September 2021, we discussion in WhatsApp about designing a class in Moodle. We discussed the materials and class to be taught and decided to choose the 7th semester first grade junior high school material as teaching materials. Third, on 25 September 2021, about review one of the most popular learning theories, we discussed about the distribution of material and what theory will be reviewed. Individual roles in task: Suska search some material, Nabila search add and type, Epi search and Gita add some material. Next presentation will be explained by Evi Sutriani. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Gita. I will continue the explanation from Gita. For on 27 September 2021, we continue the discussion about creating classes in Moodle. We discussed through the way a group. There are things that we make in the class, namely, we have to determine who the class is for, fill in the course number, make a summary, namely that the class is about and for whom, and add a member as a teacher. The next 5, on 4 October 2021, we are still continuing the discussion about class creation. The discuss is still carried out through the WA group due to signal problems. We discuss adding RPS and the topic that will be discussed. And number 6, on 7 October 2021, we discussed the distribution of material for the class. Discussion are still carried out through WhatsApp group. Each of us got one material to be included in the class. There are 4 material. The first is about good morning, how are you, which Gita choose. Then I choose the second material about this is me. Then the material when chosen by Suska was about what time is it? And the last material about this is my word, which was chosen by Nabila Pristiatari. Next slide. Number 7, on 9 October 2021, we got a new assignment, which is to write the tutorial using the template for Moodle tutorial series. Then we discuss and continue to work on the task on 9 October 2021. During the discussion, we begin to share tasks. Our rules include Suska is in charge of finding material and providing input for PPT. Nabila is in charge of finding material and making PPT. Gita is in charge of screenshot of the step of making quiz essay on Moodle, and I help compose sentence that will be included in the PPT and help find additional material needed. And the last, number 8, on 11 October 2021, it's project week. There were no classes that Sunday, so we continued to complete the classes we had created. We added YouTube video links about the material discussed, discussion tabs, and so on. Okay, next will be explained by Suska Rika. Nabila Pristiatari.
Thank you, Nabila. Okay, I will continue explain about lesson learned. The lesson we can learn from this group work segment is to increase a sense of responsibility and share ideas. So this group work is very beneficial for every member of the group. Not only increase knowledge, but also have a positive impact on the personality of each person. Next slide. Okay. Next plan. The next plan we want to do are the first is learn more about using model for education. Know more. Because I think Moodle is one of the important media in online learning as now. For that, we really hope to develop this model well and apply it to the learning process. The second is know more about other features so that it can be developed for education. By knowing more features, it is hoped that learning will run effectively. Okay, next slide. Okay, conclusion. Through several projects that have been passed, our groups has gained a lot of new knowledge. Despite having some problems, we can handle it well. In addition, our group hopes to develop this model to be applied in the educational process. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator, Evi.
Okay, this is from our group. Thank you for watching. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.